Standard outdoor security cameras usually force you to make a choice. Either lock onto one fixed spot or pan around and constantly lose sight of your main entry point. Well, today we're looking at the Solar 2 screens outdoor camera. Not only is it 100% solar powered and completely wire free, but it also streams two separate camera feeds directly to your phone in a crisp 4K Ultra HD. Let's dive in and see how this dual lens monster works. The real star of the show here is the dual lens dual screen setup. Two feeds in one app. The top camera stays fixed on a wide angle, like your entire driveway or front gate, while the bottom monetized PTZ camera pans around 360 degrees to track movement. You literally get two cameras in one housing. 4K Ultra HD. Upgrading from standard 1080p or 2K, this camera records in 4K resolution. That extra clarity makes a massive difference when you need to zoom in and read license plates or identify faces at a distance. When it comes to off-grid security, reliability is everything. Solar and built-in battery, paired with an outdoor solar panel and a high-capacity internal battery, this system charges continuously in sunlight for 24/7 uninterrupted operation. 4G LTE cellular monitoring. No Wi-Fi at your site, no problem. Stick in a 4G SIM card and you can view live video from anywhere on your phone. Double motion detection, PIR plus radar. Most cameras rely on motion detection that gets triggered by wind or rain. This unit combines PIR heat sensing with radar detection to ensure ultra-accurate alerts, sending notifications only when actual people or vehicles step onto your property. For night monitoring, it features smart IR and full-color night vision backed by powerful spotlight LEDs to keep your property illuminated in pitch darkness. You also get two-way voice monitoring so you can speak through the camera in real time. Setup is seamless. Just scan the QR code on the box. Pair it up with the V380 Pro app and you're fully connected in just 5 minutes. Footage can be saved via micro SD card or encrypted cloud storage. If you need wide-angle coverage without blind spots, whether it's for a house, construction site, parking lot or farm, the dual lens 4K setup on this is a massive game changer. Hit the like button if you found this breakdown useful. Drop a comment with your thoughts on the dual lens security cameras and don't forget to subscribe for more tech reviews. Catch you next time.